Welcome back guys, this is Teki Rick. Today Black Shark 3 camera test. Main camera 64 megapixel, secondary 30 megapixel, ultra wide, last one 5 megapixel depth sensor. Let's look at the video department. This device support maximum 4K 60 fps, not support 8K. This device main highlight, everyone now this device main camera 64 megapixel, but this camera takes shot 256 megapixels. Yes guys, it's work 64 is 4 pixel pinning method to take 256 megapixel shots. Take time to processing the image. But Black Shark not announced in event this device support 256 megapixel. Why? I don't know. Okay, what do you think guys? This 256 megapixel sample clarity is good compared to 108 megapixel. Okay, first look the sample. Normal looking it's good. Just I'm take to zoom. Hmm, normal viewing good. Crop the image. Guys, zooming. Wow, guys, its quality it's really good, right? Okay, just a minute. This is the Xiaomi Mi 10. I'm take the same place. Use 108 megapixel shot. Okay, cool. Okay, just a minute. I'm compare 108 megapixel versus 256 megapixel shots. The same place. Okay, the phone Xiaomi Mi 10 108 megapixel on left side Black Shark 3 it's 64 megapixel but take 256 megapixel shots. Which one best? My opinion, Black Shark 3 is best and best. Okay, let's look some camera samples. It's a 64 megapixel sample. Just I am zooming. Its quality is good. Just I am much more zoom the building left side. Yeah, its quality is good, not bad. The second sample it's 30 megapixel ultra wide. Just I'm zooming. Its quality good. Okay, just I'm zoom the building bottom side. Yeah, the quality is also good. This first image ultra wide and second image it's a main 64 megapixel sample shot. Just I'm zooming. The two samples is much good, but ultra wide little bit color is different. The next sample it's night mode and nighttime it's zooming it's good. Also it's not bad. This is the other image a crawl. Yeah, it's good quality. Then nighttime.
One, two, three, no.